Hey, how we doing, everybody? Welcome to the P19 worksheet. Your job is to, first of all, pay attention as I'm going through the odd problems. Write them down on your version of the test, or the worksheet, excuse me. And then your job will be then to do the even problems. Send that on to me, and then you'll be able to take the reassessment on question number 19. At this point, we are looking at what we call the slope. We want to remind you that slope is rise over right. All right, so we're just going from 2 points. I've actually selected the 2 points for this particular question for you. You pick 2 points. They happen to be perfect corners. That's one of the key issues here. And what we're going to do is from those 2 points, we're looking at how far up or down do we need to go. Well, in this case, I have to rise 4 in order to get there. And I have to go to the right 2 in order to get there, which makes my slope equal to 4 over 2. One of the things that we will do is we always have to reduce fractions when we have them. And so as a reminder, we want to make sure that we know how to reduce fractions using the ABC button on our calculator. And if you use that and you type in 4ABC2, you'll end up getting a fraction that the calculator will tell you 2. If you want to write it as 2, I'm okay with that. If you want to write it as a fraction, you can always put it over 1, and that's okay. All right, taking a look at question number 3. Our rise, in this case, we're not rising. We actually have to go down to get there, which makes it a negative number. So our slope, our rise number is going to be negative 4. Our distance to the right is going to be 1. So we could write this as negative 4 over 1. That's an acceptable answer. If you don't want to put the 1 on the bottom, you don't have to. Negative 4 would be an acceptable answer. We just have to know the 1 is automatically there. In the case of number 5, we're rising 1. We're going to the right 2. So our slope is equal to 1 over 2, not reducible. And last but not least, question number 7, our slope, we are looking at doing a rise of negative 4. We're going down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to the right 3, which gives us a slope of negative 4 over 3. Leave it improper. Do not change it. All right, if you type this in your calculator at negative 4 ABC3, your calculator will tell you negative 1 1/3. We do not want mixed numbers when we talk about slope. Leave it improper. Okay, any questions? Go ahead and send me an email about them. But your job is to complete the even numbers. Send this on to me, and I will get you access to the reassessment if you do well. Good luck.